Hello friends, welcome to my channel DevOps All in One. In previous tutorial, we have seen how to create pipeline, what are the types of pipeline and how to configure it. So in this tutorial, we are going to see how to create a parameterized job, and we will also see how to create a triggered parameterized, how to trigger the parameterized job from upstream job. Okay, so let's see the first part. So this is my Jenkins dashboard page. So we are going to create a job. Let's say it is a freestyle project and I'm going to create a parameterized job. So in this configuration, as you can see, the option, this project is parameterized. Okay, so we have to select this and we have to add your parameter. So there are multiple parameters that you can give to your projects, such like Boolean, choice parameter, credentials, file parameter, string parameter. So if I say string parameter and I will say like first name, and if I say default value is Sachin, I am again taking a string parameter as a last name. I am giving the value, default value as Deshmukh. And in the build, I am just executing a batch command, Windows batch command, that is echo my full name is. Then I will put the first parameter, %% first name space %% last name. Okay. Let's apply and save it. So as you can see, the option is changed here. As you have selected the parameters, so now you can see the option is changed, like build with parameters. If you are not selecting the parameter option, then it will directly say build now. Okay, so let's build it. So when build, they will ask, these are the default values of your first name and last name. So if you want to change it, you can change it here. Otherwise, let's leave it like this. So our build is completed, and let's see the console output. So you can see here, my full name is Sachin Deshmukh. So the default values of those parameters have been taken here. Okay, so let's try with some other parameters also. Parameterized job, configure. Okay, I'm removing this and I will use, say I have to choose multiple options. Okay, so I will be using a choice parameter. Say suppose you have name as Sachin, but there are so many Sachin with different last names. So if I'm saying that last name, and here you have to put your choices, just like Deshmukh, then Rathod, say it's Dave. Okay, so these are the 3 last names I have taken. So let's apply, save it, and let's again build with parameters. Now you will see here, you have given a multiple choice option here. So if you see, if you are selected Rathod and if you build it, let's check the output. So here you can see my full name is Sachin Rathod. So this way you can use the parameters in your job. Okay. So let's see the second option. Like second part of the tutorial is how to trigger the parameterized job from an upstream job. So for this, we have to install the parameterized trigger plugin from manage plugin. Okay. So let's go to our Jenkins dashboard. First go to manage Jenkins, then go to manage plugins. This is my manage plugin section. In the available, you have to type parameterized trigger plugin. Look like I already have installed the parameterized trigger plugin. So you can see parameterized trigger. Okay. So for you, you have to go to available and then install parameterized trigger. Sometimes while installing the complete Jenkins, it gets by default installed in your system. But if not, then you can install it from here. Okay, so let's go. So we have installed the parameterized plugin. Now we have to create a job from which we will trigger a parameterized job. Okay, so let's go to Jenkins, new atom, freestyle project. I will say here trigger parameterized job. Okay, now here this job will only trigger the parameterized job. Okay, so what we have to do is here, after add a post build action, in this you can see the trigger parameter is built on other projects. So you have to select that option. You have to select the project which you need to build. So we have parameterized job here. Okay, now trigger when build is stable, unstable or stable. So yeah, trigger this job when the build is stable. Now trigger build without parameter. Here you can see there are so many options, but we already have a predefined parameters in the parameterized job. So we are just selecting that. And here we will say first name is equal to say Rahul. Okay, let's apply and save it. Let's build it. So this build has started and it has triggered a new build of parameterized job. If you go to the parameterized job, this is the third job which is being started. Okay, so here you can see my full name is Rahul Deshmukh. Okay, so this Rahul name is coming from the upstream job. We have given the parameter in the upstream job as Rahul and it has been pulled up here. So this is how we can trigger your parameterized job using in your upstream job. So that's it, guys. Please keep watching my videos for more updates on Jenkins and DevOps tools. Thank you so much.